In this video, I will be showing you how to turn on Chatgpt on iPhone. Let's get started. First, I start on my home screen and tap on the Settings app icon to open up the system preferences. Once the Settings menu opens, I begin scrolling down through the standard options, past General Configurations, until I locate the section labeled Apple Intelligence and Siri. I tap directly on Apple Intelligence and Siri to access the assistant settings. On this new page, I can see that Apple Intelligence is already toggled on. I then scroll further down past the standard Siri requests options like language, voice, and responses, moving toward the bottom of the list. Here, under the dedicated extensions section, I find the Chatgpt option. I tap on Chatgpt to configure its extension settings. Near the bottom, there is an open button next to the Chatgpt app logo, which I tap to launch the main application. The screen transitions directly into the dark interface of the Chatgpt app, opening a blank chat screen with the keyboard ready. At the bottom, there is a text bar labeled Ask Chatgpt with a microphone icon on the right. I tap the microphone icon to activate voice input. The screen pulses with a colorful, glowing border along the edges, indicating that the app is listening to my voice. I say my request out loud, asking the app to generate a productive to-do list. After a brief pause, a prompt appears at the top of the screen stating that it needs to use Chatgpt to fulfill this request. I tap the blue button on the right labeled Use Chatgpt to confirm and give permission. The status bar at the top updates to display a loading message that reads Working with Chatgpt as the system processes the request. Within a few seconds, the text populates the screen, presenting a structured, multi-step daily plan titled Here's a Simple To-Do List for a Productive Day, complete with bulleted tasks ranging from morning stretches to preparing a plan for tomorrow. To try another feature, I tap the microphone icon again to start a new voice request. The glowing voice activation lines reappear at the bottom, and I ask the system to generate a simple home workout routine. Almost instantly, a neatly formatted, full-body home workout routine without equipment appears on the screen, showing specific exercises like push-ups, bodyweight squats, lunges, planks, and glute bridges, along with instructions for rounds and rest periods. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.